Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2003 Mazda 323 SP20 hatch, stock reference number 5823. This shape runs from the 9th month 98 through to the 12th month 2003. It has an FS 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. FS 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left power door mirror. Left rear door has 2 small dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, tidy rear bumper. Tailgate has 2 large dents and 1 small dent. Right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has light wobbles, right front door has 1 small dent. Right hand side skirt, right power door mirror, right guard has no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.